You had a 16 on pink jersey on, singing every word to the fight song. You had your airplane bottles from your purse out, had a country mile smile every first down. Last thing on my mind was a football, watching you, girl, like it's gonna be a good fall. You'd have thought that post-game kiss would make me wanna make you mine. But you had me by halftime. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you guys how to play You Had Me by Halftime, or You Had Me at Halftime. I can never remember. You Had Me by Halftime by Morgan Wallen. This song was requested, and it's super great, super easy to play, and it's one of my favorites from his first album. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything in the comments, and if you have other songs you want to learn as well, please put them in the comments, and I'll do my best to get to them. So yeah, this song is in standard tuning, and there's a capo on the 4th fret. Might make it a little bit easier if you put the capo a little bit higher on the fret, because depending on how you want to play the A chord, it can be harder if it's like really close, really far down, or high up, I guess, I don't know how you say it, really close to the 5th fret. So you can put it on the 4th fret. Also, please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. And if you think it's a good video, a good tutorial, and you want more people to see it, please hit like, because YouTube serves it up to people more if it has more likes. Okay, so let's get into it. So you're only going to use a handful of chords in this song. You're going to use D. Okay, you're also going to use G. I think it's easier to use this G because it's just really, you go from D to G and G to D a lot. Okay, you're also going to use B minor. If you have a hard time barring it, just don't bar it. Okay, and just don't play the bottom 2 as much. Right. All right, so it'll sound a little bit different if you play those, if it's not bar, but just don't play the B and the E string, little E string, okay? If you have a hard time barring it, otherwise you should. And then you can also do A, so that's why, so if you play it like this, all right, that's why you want the capo a little bit higher up on there, you see, so that you have more room, but otherwise you can just play it like that. All right, and then E minor. All right, now I'm gonna walk you guys through how to do this at the beginning. So at the beginning, you're just going to do a D chord. That's it for the intro part. You're doing down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, you're just going to do that. And you're going to do that 3 times. You're going to do down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down. So you're doing it 4 times actually. Sorry. Down, up, down, up. And then you go into it. You were talking trash, we were tossing bags when I called your name at a cornhole game. Okay, so you see you're just going to be doing that D still for the first couple of lines, and at the end you do up in a cornhole game. So you do G on cornhole game. Cornhole game September. So you're just doing down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. Down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're just doing that, and then when you get to G, you do cornhole game September Saturday. So then back on September, you go to D. You're gonna be doing D for almost the whole verses. Okay, September Saturday and rock the top on top of G10 parking lot. All right, so G10 parking lot said girl. Okay, then you go back to D. So on G10 parking, all right, parking lot is where you're gonna do G. Parking lots, parking lot, all right, parking lot. You're gonna have to listen to the timing a little bit, but you go parking lot, back to D on lot, okay? So G is parking, parking lot, said, girl, where you sitting? I got an extra ticket, it's right on the 50. See, I'm doing a louder one. Down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, just like that, okay? It's right on the 50. Okay, down, up, down, up. All right, mute. And then you're gonna go into the chorus. And for the chorus, you're gonna do G. It's a different strumming pattern too. You're gonna do G. Sorry. You had a 16 on pink jersey on, singing every word to the fight song. So you're gonna do that. Start with G. And then, I'm gonna show you where the chords go, and I'm gonna show you the strumming pattern real quick too after, okay? You had a 16 on team jersey on, singing every word to the fight song. Had your okay, airplane is D. Airplane bottle from your purse out, had a country mile smile every first down. Last thing thing is B minor. Thing on my mind was a football, watching you, girl. Okay, then you go to girl is A. Girl, like it's gonna be a good fall, you'd have thought. Okay, you'd have thought. Okay, a thought is gonna be G. Thought that post-game kiss would make me wanna make you mine. Wanna make is E minor. Make you mine. You and me by halftime. So the way you're gonna do the chorus strumming pattern is you're gonna do, you had a 60, you're doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. So you're just doing that until the very end, and then you're gonna go into like the kind of like the same thing you did at the intro, like intro to like the transition from the chorus to the next verse. So you're just gonna do. Let's see, so I'm going to do the strumming pattern for you slower for the chorus one time, and then I'll show you how you transition it. So you're going to do down, so down, up, 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 down, up. Up, down, 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 up. So then you change it slightly because as soon as you go to that halftime, you're doing the intro part again. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, you're just gonna go back into that intro part, and then you're gonna go to the second verse. Okay, so then when you go to the bridge, all right, so the bridge you're going to do, let's see, it's going to be B minor, okay, and then you're going to do A, G, and then E minor, okay, so you're going to do, every time the leaves start falling down, I get to thinking about. Okay, so you're going to do B minor on now. And every time the leaves is A, leaves start falling down. Down is G, down. I get to thinking about. Thinking is E minor, okay? So this is easy too because you can just do single strums, or you can strum it like you were for the chorus, okay? So, all right. Every time the leaves start falling down, I get to thinking about. Okay, and then you go into the chorus. Now when you do this last chorus, it's easiest if you just do, for the first half of it, if you're just strumming the bottom strings, okay? So if you can just do B and E, little e, that's great, or you can do G, B, and little e, okay? But yeah, so that's how you play the whole song. It's super easy. It's really fun. It's a great song. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.